Look how big these are. These are actually V10 Mercury engine, 1,600 horsepower. Let me show you the secret compartment. Open this. Open this. Check it out. Let's get inside. So down here, we've got our sink. We've got all of our light switches. There we go. And this actually pops the light on for the bathroom. That has a shower as well. Right over there. Now the coolest thing is that this pops off, and like Tetris, you pop it in. We've got a bed. We've got on, and you control it right over here. So I'll start them up. 1, 2, go check it out. You got your 2 screens for navigation, you got your maps, your speed, your position, your depth, and your steering wheel. On this side, we've got our lights. So the navigation light and the anchor light are right in front. That's for driving at night. And your cockpit light right over here. Back seat. We've got our 2 screens for the passengers to see everything. And then at the back, we've got another screen for all the passengers to see. Your 2 speakers. This button, watch what it does. Got a shower. And yeah, let's go.